Hello and welcome to Asian Petrol. Today we have 2020 Cadenza from Kia. We showed you new Cadenza briefly last month through a media test drive, but we have a press car solely to ourselves today. So let me show you design inside and out, and of course take her for a drive and show you how well she does on the road. And before we begin, please do support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you guys. So which generation is this new Cadenza? Well, if you remember, the first generation looked like this and second generation looked like that. So I guess you can call it facelift of the second generation. And it's only been 3 years after the second generation launch, and Kia is not calling it third generation either. So what is a Cadenza? It's a four-door luxury family sedan from Kia. It's classified as an executive sedan, E-Class. It also shares its platform with Hyundai Granzer, aka Zeros in North American markets. It also competes against rivals such as Buick Lacrosse, Nissan Maxima, and Toyota Avalon. Let's start with front. I personally think the new guy looks a whole lot better than the outgoing model. It's got big tiger nose grille in the middle that nicely blends in with the headlamp. It's got full LED headlamp system, turn signal below with Z-shaped chrome strip, but there's no fog lamp. Let me show you in more detail. This is headlamp, high beam, turn signal, and this is what honk sounds like. All right, guys. Let's also take a look at the engine room. In Korea, Cadenzas are sold with 5 different engine choices. 2.5 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine, which is what our tester has, 3 liter V6, LPI, diesel, and hybrid. In our case, 2.5 liter 4-cylinder makes about 198 horsepower and 182 pound-feet of torque. It is mated to 8-speed automatic and power sent through all front wheels. So now let me show you how fast Cadenza 2.5 liter can be. It took Cadenza 2.5 about 10 seconds to 62 miles per hour. It's not fast, probably not meant to be. Come on guys, this is a family sedan. New guy has about an inch longer wheelbase, so let's take a look at the second row seats. Although I'm 6'2", and this was where I was sitting, but look, there's plenty of legroom and headroom is also alright as well. 2 air vents for the second row passengers and 2 USB charging ports. Armrest with 2 cup holders and some controls for the media. Very nice. Although it's a manual, you can have sunshade for the side, and there's also a big panoramic sunroof on the top. Very nice place to be. Our tester is wearing 245 40/19 on front and back. Now let's check out the braking performance of Kia Cadenza 2.5. It took Cadenza about 125 feet to a complete stop. As you've seen, it stopped in very stable manner. So when you get inside, you notice 2 large screens, 12.3 for the gauge cluster and 12.3 for the infotainment screen. Both are very easy on your eyes and easy to operate. Head-up display on the top, and including the air vents, everything is designed very horizontally. I like the design, and the fit and finish seems to be very nice also. And there's also a wireless charging pad for your mobile phone, 2 USB charging ports, and you can hide all the messy stuff like closing the cover. Very nice, but I'm a little bit worried about all this high gloss material being used on this side. I think it's gonna get scratched a little bit very easily. But other than that, it's a very nice place to be. Now let's go out to the road with Cadenza 2.5. First, outward visibility is very good. Just like any other Kia models, it's got big windows around and there isn't any part particularly blocking my line of sight, so it's easy to drive. And if you need more help, you can also get some help from surround view monitor or blind spot monitoring system. There's also two-way built-in cameras that will record everything that goes around the car, so you can prove your innocence if you do ever get into a car accident. That is, of course, if it's not your fault, right? And climate and media controls are made of physical buttons and dials and even toggle switches, which are easy to use even while driving. And I hope it stays this way because I don't like touch-sensitive buttons. And there's also air cleaning mode in this car, so you can stay fresh while driving fast. Alright, enough talking. For drive modes, let's put the car into sports and drive. Then why don't we talk about engine for a second. Kia used dual injectors per cylinder, GDi and MPi, 2 injectors per cylinder. Kia says this way not only produces more power, it is more efficient. Kia claims this new 2.5 liter 4-cylinder is more powerful yet more efficient compared to the outgoing 2.4 liter. Then why don't we check out the efficiency of Cadenza 2.5. So Cadenza returned 26 miles per gallon in the city and 43 miles per gallon on the highway. So it is very, very efficient for a family sedan, especially on the highway. Engine is mated to 8-speed automatic. It's not DCT, it's just regular torque converter type, but it's shifting quite quickly. Let me show you in action. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So it's not only shifting quickly, but also smoothly. I like the gearbox. The electric steering system feels alright. It's not giving me so much feedback, but it's got no problem leading the car into the right direction. See, it's handling pretty alright. Wow. Very nice handling. Nice car. Yes, it's a big family sedan, but you can have some fun with this when you feel like it. Very nice. I think it handles better than the 3-liter V6. Very nice. Right now we're driving on the highway and it feels pretty quiet in here. Kia says they extended user pair glasses even to the second row passenger side. So it's pretty quiet in here and I could get used to this. Now I'd like to show you adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist working together. We have both systems working right now, and as you see, the Cadenza is keeping the safe distance with car in front and also steering itself. Very comfortable. But for your own safety, always keep your hands on the steering wheel. Alright guys, let's try the corner with the Cadenza 2.5. Very stable. Wow. I like the tires. The Michelin tires are gripping very nicely. Very stable. I like it. Let me also show you the rear design. It's got LED combination tail lamp that kind of connects in the middle. Below there's reflector, fake dual exhaust on the each side, but muffler is actually on the right side. Let me also show you the trunk. The size seems to be quite class competitive. There's some storage area and fix-a-flat kit, and there's also ski-through. Unfortunately, the second row does not fold. Alright guys, today we had a chance to test drive 2020 Kia Cadenza. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll be back with more car reviews. And before you leave, please do support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you guys.